friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video is based on MCQ on plant biotechnology. These MCQs are based on applications of plant biotechnology in various fields. Let's start with our first question. The mass of cells that grows on the site of injury in plant is known as goal, callus, callose or none. Correct answer will be callus. B. Goal represent various cancerous cells in plant. Callus is the group of cells that have capacity to develop or differentiate into tissues. So these cells can fill wounds present in the plant that at the site of injury. And callose is a type of polysaccharide. Next question. Agrobacterium tumefaciens is also known as Azobacter species, Xanthobacterium, Rhizobium radiobacter, or D, both A and C. So, correct answer will be C. Rhizobium radiobacter is another name for Agrobacterium tumefaciens. Let's move to next question. Which technique is used in preparation of flavor saver tomato? Chloroplast engineering, antisense technology, gene silencing or gene duplication? Correct answer will be B. Anti-sense technology. Some other questions are there which can be asked about this flavor saver tomato variety. For example, what is the unique feature in this flavor saver tomato? Then what is the unique feature? Its shelf life. Its shelf life. It ripes very slowly, so we can use it for many days. What is the mechanism for this? First one enzyme is PG, that is polygalacturonase. This enzyme digests pectin that present in the cell wall of tomato, pectin, and responsible for the ripening of tomato. If we antisense PG gene, then digestion of pectin will go slowly. Next mechanism is ACC synthase enzyme. ACC synthase. What this ACC synthase enzyme does, it is responsible for the production of ethylene hormone, and ethylene hormone is responsible for the ripening of tomato. So by anti-sensing both the genes, we can increase the shelf life of tomato. Next question. What is the mechanism of function of crygene that introduced into cotton plant? A. Dissolve the lining cell of digestive tract in insect. B. Autodigestion. C. A and B both. D. A only. This crygene produce cryprotein. This cryprotein act as a toxin for the insect. It bind with the epithelial cells of midgut in the insect, and it will responsible for the dissolving of the lining of digestive tract in insect. Or secondly, this phenomena is represented by autodigestion. So correct answer will be C. A and B both. Next question. Which enzyme is blocked by herbicide glyphosate? Options are EPSPS, phosphatase, phosphorylase or DNA polymerase. Correct answer will be A. Glyphosate blocks EPS enzyme. And this EPS enzyme is responsible for formation of aromatic amino acid. Aromatic amino acid. You can tell us the name of various aromatic amino acid in our comment section. Next question. Which substance is produced by genetically modified golden rice that can help in improving eye vision? Vitamin A, beta carotene, both A and B, or D, only A. This beta carotene is precursor for vitamin A. So both A and B will be our right answer. Both these compounds are produced in golden rice, which can cure our blindness in eyes. Next question. Which group of organism is used in production of biofuels? Fungi, algae, virus, or none of them? Correct answer will be B. Algae. Next question. Male sterility can be restored by which gene? Barnase gene, Bar star gene by enhancing starch, or D. RNA gene? Correct answer is Bar star gene. This Bar star gene can restore male sterility that can be produced by Barnase gene. If this question is male sterility can be produced by which gene, then answer will be Barnase gene. And both these genes are extracted from Bacillus species, and the species is Amyloliquefacins. अमाइलोलिक्विफेसिन स्पीसीज से इन दोनों जीन्स को एक्सट्रैक्ट किया जाता है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. In RNA mediated interference process, gene expression is triggered by single stranded RNA, B single stranded DNA, C double stranded RNA, D double stranded DNA. Correct answer is C. Double stranded RNA is used in RNA mediated interference gene expression. And this double stranded RNA is produced by dicer enzyme. Which of the following is known as biodegradable plastic? Options are methyl butyrate, polyhydroxybutyrate, ethyl butyrate, or A and C. Correct answer is B. Polyhydroxybutyrate is also known as biodegradable plastic. Next question. Plantibodies are antibodies produced by plant, antibodies produced by transgenic plant, antibodies produced by transgenic animal, antibodies introduced into the plant. If we dissect this word, planti plus antibody, so these are the antibodies produced by the transgenic plant. B is our right answer. Some interesting points. First point is Agrobacterium tumefaciens cannot infect monocotyledon plants. It have no ability to infect monocot plants. Which disease Agrobacterium tumefaciens causes in higher plant? If you know that, you can tell us in comment section. Next point, enzyme EPS which is inhibited by glyphosate is 5-enol pyruvyl cyclimate 3-phosphate synthase and is responsible for the synthesis of various amino acids in weeds. Next point, ACC synthase. This enzyme is used in the production of ethylene and its full form is 1-amino cyclopropane 1-carboxylate synthase. Next point, terminator seeds are produced by transgenic plant. Terminator seeds are produced by transgenic plants. That's all for today's video. If you are benefited by this video, please like it, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.